Hi Ma, good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic is very short answers in our first chapter physical sciences. In our first chapter we will get 2 marks questions only, not 4 marks and long answer questions. In this chapter we have just 5 short answer, very short answer questions. In this chapter we will get just 2 marks questions. Okay. So in this we have only 5 question and answers, very short answers. The first one is what is physics? What is physics? Physics is the study of basic laws of nature. Physics is the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. That means in physics we are discussing about the laws of motions, Newton's laws, Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, Kepler's laws, all are explains what about the nature and planets revolution, all these. So we will discuss the physics, laws of physics of nature. Physics is the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. This is the first question. And next one, second one is what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? In yesterday's class we will discover C.V. Raman is discovered the Raman effect. Raman effect is nothing but a scattering of light. So what is discovery of C.V. Raman means? C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. It deals with scattering of light by molecules of a medium. It deals with scattering of light by molecules of a medium when they are excited to vibrational energy levels. When they are vibrational energy levels. For example, once this is the electronic level. In this electronic level we have vibrational levels. In these vibrational levels we will have rotational levels, different rotational levels. These are the 3 different electronic level, vibrational level and rotational levels. So the C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. It deals with the scattering of light by molecules of a medium when they are excited to a vibrational energy level. That means ground state lo unna electrons can gain some energy and move to excited state. So in this is nothing but a scattering of light. So what are the fundamental forces in nature? In nature we have so many forces, but the fundamental forces are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. In this we have arranged the 4 different forces in ascending or descending order. First we will discuss in ascending order. The 4 forces are explained ascending order. Ascending means large to small or big to small. Big to small, the strong nuclear force, ascending order. This is the ascending order. Strong nuclear forces is greater than electromagnetic forces is greater than weak nuclear forces is greater than gravitational forces. This is the ascending order. In case of descending order, gravitational force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force and strong nuclear force. But this is the short answer of 2 marks question. Arrange the fundamental forces in ascending order or descending order. So our fundamental forces gravitation, electromagnetic, strong and weak nuclear forces. Our next one is which of the following has symmetry? Symmetry means it is same. It is same in our universe. That means acceleration due to gravity or law of gravitation. Law of gravitation having symmetry. Why? Because everywhere it is same in our universe. Law of gravitation is same in our universe. So what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar to physics? He is Chandrasekhar limit. He found the Chandrasekhar limit. He worked on structure and function, evolution of stars. These 5 are our short answer, very short answer questions. This is our first chapter, physical sciences, and tomorrow class we will discuss the second unit. So once I will repeat it, what is the physics? Physics is the study of the basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. This is our physics. That means physics is a branch of science. Science is exploring, experimenting and predicting when we see around our daily life. What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. That means it explains the scattering of light molecules by the medium. It excited to vibrating energy levels. So, what are the fundamental forces in nature? The fundamental forces in nature are four: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. And fourth one, which of the following has symmetry? Acceleration due to gravity, law of gravity. Law of gravity has symmetry. Why? Because everywhere it is same in our universe. And what is the contribution to S. Chandrasekhar to physics? Chandrasekhar limit. He worked on the structure and evolution of the stars and explained and arranging the fundamental forces in ascending order or descending order. In ascending order, the fundamental forces are: first one is the strong nuclear force is greater than electromagnetic force is greater than weak nuclear force is greater than gravitational force. This is our first chapter. In next class we will discuss the second unit, and then thank you.